Okay guys, I guess by now you figured out that I'm going to do another giveaway. We're going to give away the 36 by 24 model this time. I announced it on the CNC with Dave show Saturday before last, a little over a week ago. But if you didn't catch that, you may not know about it. But we're going to give this thing away. We're going to start taking entries December 1st. We'll take entries the whole month of December. And then we'll do a live drawing on the CNC with Dave show on Saturday, January 14th. And hopefully we'll get lots of entries. We got a lot of them when I gave one away the last time. So, and I've also been giving it some thought. I think we're probably going to go ahead and allow, last time we just did anybody in the continental U.S. This time I'm going to go with anybody in the continental U.S. or Canada. We're going to allow anybody up in Canada to put an entry in. I'm going to foot the bill for the shipping, whatever it might be. But when of course, when it comes to Canada, you may have some customs duty taxes or whatever. So, you'll be responsible for those should you win. So, think about that. If you don't want to pay that or can't afford that, if you win, then you might not want to put an entry in, but it'd probably be a small price to pay to get a little machine like this. So anyway, I'm going to keep working on this and get it running, and I've got to buy some motors and everything. It'll be a complete, it's just kind of like a rolling chassis right now. It's all I've got done, but I'll be buying the stepper motors, the drive box, the Acme nuts, the lead screws, all that. It'll be pretty much ready to run. All you need to add is a computer and software, and you'll be ready to start going with this thing. I'll probably even put a router mount, some kind of a router, maybe a Porter Cable 450 or DeWalt 611, something like that. So it'll be a good little machine that's ready to go. So get ready to get your entries in. Like I said, we'll, I know it's only like the 13th of November, but I thought I'd go ahead and announce this, get everybody thinking about it, and we'll be taking entries the whole month of December. So anyway, that's all I was going to say. I appreciate all my new subscribers, and speaking of new subscribers, I noticed that I somehow snuck over 25,000, probably 2 or 3 days ago. I didn't even notice it until last night at the show. I was already over, so appreciate all the new subscribers. I know if you guys take a minute to watch one of my videos without all that other content out there, I really appreciate it. You guys have no idea. So anyway, that's it. We'll talk to you next time. Take care.